But another thing I also want to take note of about Crunchyroll / I guess Funimation, though Funimation's back catalog is now on Crunchyroll now, it's the fact that Crunchyroll's user interface is just really garbage. The fact that Crunchyroll has had this user interface for like, I don't know how long, and they still haven't updated it, it just looks so boring, bland, it sucks. Everything about it just like irks me. Especially as someone who took programming classes for a couple of years. I just really just do not like the user interface of that website. When the pirate websites have better user interfaces than a so-called professional anime streaming site or whatever, you know you're kind of bad.